Let's see this plus light. I bought it from internet. It is a plus light that we use it for sleeping. To be used, it has many functions, many views. So I want to know what is the component and what is the inside of this plus light. So I try to deassemble it and check what is the assembly of its part. Okay, here we can see the technical specification functions breakdowns, and we can see the small LEDs array. Here you can see the external housing. Okay, let's look at detail for this plus light. Okay, this is the technical schematic we use. Okay, we can see some component of this light. This is the product from China.